pick up here with Silversmith in collaboration with like three others. Your name is?
My name is Lee Atherton.
And you're with?
I'm the owner of That's Restaurant in Fonthill and the Garrison House in Niagara-on-the-Lake.
Okay, and you're part of these guys' collaboration here. So tell me more about it. Did you open up a new one, or?
Zest has been in operation for 9.5 years. It's a small, fine dining, casual atmosphere in downtown Fonthill. Fine food, great open concept kitchen.
Okay.
Garrison House we just opened in July this year. It's more a upscale gastro tavern, serving fine beers from our local. So Oost House and Silversmith Brewing are two breweries that are just opening up in Niagara-on-the-Lake.
Yeah.
We also feature our Niagara College brewery, which is not involved today, but one of our newest ones. They have a brewing process on campus.
Yeah, speaking of which, you got beer in that soup.
Oh yes.
So tell me the story on that one. No, I don't know anyone here at Soupstock has beer in their soup.
Yeah, so Oost House, which is the new brewery down the street. There they are.
Okay.
Their Barn Raiser Pale Ale is their beer that they have on tap. They also have two other ones that they're featuring. One is the Saison, and the other is a Bière de Garde. So both farmhouse ales. The Silversmith is in Virgil, so just down the street from us as well at the Garrison House.
Good. Yep.
And they're brewing a black lager and a wheat beer. So the black lager is very much almost like a porter style, but it is a lager, so it's still cool fermentation, bottom fermentation. Very effervescent still. Great chocolate coffee notes to it. So I think you should try them all.
Okay, I will. And on that note, Chef, what's his name? Chef Patrick. I'd like to try one of those soups. Thank you so much.
You should.
Yeah, oh, definitely. Part of my job.